So our prototype consists of all the subsystems. So it consists of so the electrical system. Two, three. So the electrical system is the. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Vegapod Hyperloop. So today we are going to show our workshop and the most awaited thing, which is our pod. So come, let's have a look at the workshop. So this is our workshop. So our prototype consists of a custom track and pod. Our custom track is 10 meters long, which consists of frame plates and beams. So each beam serves its own purpose. The top ones are for levitation and the side ones are for propulsion and braking. Let's have a look at our pod. So this is our pod. We have 4 levitation modules mounted on top of the pod. Each module consists of an electromagnet basically used to lift the pod using electromagnetic force. So let's have a look at the propulsion system of our pod. So we use 3-phase linear induction motor, which is mounted on both sides of the pod. It is used for propulsion and it uses electromagnetic force in order to move the pod forward. So the electrical system is the lifeline of the pod, which powers the subsystems. So it is divided into 2 subsystems, the high voltage and the low voltage. So high voltage battery module is divided into 4 segments. Each segment has 2 batteries and the batteries are connected to the inverter, and then the inverter is connected to the LIM for propulsion. So the communication between the electrical system and the ground station is done through electronics. So the electronic systems consist of VCUs, which uses master and slave architecture. This is the master VCU. VCU stands for Vehicle Control Unit, and these 3 are the slave VCUs. One is used for cooling, one is for inverter.
So we have 2 pneumatic braking systems consisting of 4 actuators present on each end of the pod. The actuators get actuated when we press those brakes and it gets retracted when we release the brakes. This is a demonstration. We use liquid cooling system for the cooling of our pod. So the heat is transferred from the electrical components using the cold plates. So the hot water travels from the cold plate to the phase change materials. We use paraffin wax for the phase change materials. So the hot water is then transferred to the wax and is transferred throughout the wax, and the wax melts. So we get cold water as a result of this process, and this cycle repeats. The aeroshell serves as the outer covering of our pod. We have used composite manufacturing. Specifically, we have used flax fiber mats so that the Hyperloop prototype is more sustainable.
Hello guys, welcome to Vegapod Hyperloop. I am Natalie. We are gonna show our workshop and